Kurumjay, a very good afternoon. You are watching Afternoon English Bulletin on SKTV, and I'm Victoria Rajkumari. Before we begin, let's take a look at the headlines. Manipur joins a nationwide general strike. All Manipur Bank Employees Association staged cease work protests at MG venue. And no fuel policy to end-of-life diesel and petrol cars in Delhi NCR will be enforced from November 1st. And now to top stories. Bank employees under All Manipur Bank Employee Association took out the cease work protest at MG venue near Imphal Urban Cooperative Bank Limited today. The protest was organized as a part of nationwide strike imposed by 10 central trade unions and National Convention of Workers and was carried out under the aegis of All India Bank Employees Association, All India Insurance Employees Association, All India LIC Employees Federation, All India Bank Officers Association, Bank Employees Federation of India and General Insurance Employees of All India Association. Speaking on the sidelines, General Secretary of All Manipur Bank Employees Association, Soibam Indrakumar, highlighted the demands of minimum wage for workers, labourers and employees. He also alleged that NDA government and centre has not fulfilled the rights of workers and employees in the country. He also expressed dissent over the introduction of 4 labour codes.
India trade union organization sinchana matam kaya dagi demand tawra demand mayam sindu adu khigi management har sarkar na tabi daba year of nakung ma khode center khodugi mahi amoina khone pangthuk sabadu strike amani asigi khodong saba si strike tono bi khodong sa kamaina pigi habida ning tamba bharat si after independence the government of India China they have formulated 29 different labor acts labor law kunmapan already ning tamaba bharat sida enforce to the law kunmapan se law in mutalaga inung no labor court hadra sinmi sing sibu labor sing sibu regulate to na bintu na makhoi bu moi mahnu karam law sa naga dagi haiba mayan laws in law in mutalaga court mari khak channel mari khak chana lanina lauthore 2019 amasung 20 ariba Parliament has passed over the court Marishi Karimba, never Hogrigadi, Han Leramba labor law Punama, Bekir sector the Lermiba, regulations, service condition, Punamax, law in a forgo Tauraga, Nova, Law Machanarani, Haibigi, alarming systems, Lani, Masit Nudabiadi, Haibigi, Kunjung Donebukin, systems in Zaribs.
Days after the Delhi government lifted the ban on diesel cars above 10 years and petrol cars above 15 years, an order issued on Monday said that no fuel will be given to vehicles falling in these categories from November 1st. The fuel restrictions will also be implemented in the 5 districts of National Capital Region NCR on the same day. A meeting of the Commission for Air Quality Management, in short CAQM, was held on Tuesday after the Delhi government wrote to them to review their decision towards no fuel for the end-of-life vehicles from July 1st. Keeping the request in mind, the Commission decided that it will be judicious to implement the fuel ban in all the 6 cities of the Delhi NCR simultaneously from November 1st. The no-fuel scheme for end-of-life vehicles will also be implemented in Gurugram, Faridabad, Noida, Ghaziabad and Sonipat from November 1st. On July 1st, the Delhi government launched a major campaign to combat air pollution by banning fuel supply to end-of-life vehicles. The initiative, directed by CAQM, involved automated camera systems at fueling stations to detect vehicle age. However, following a massive backlash against the move, the government lifted the ban, with Environment Minister Manjinder Singh saying that the government will plan to adopt a new system regarding all vehicles. In an order, Imphal East DC has informed people to remove structures, unauthorized construction and deposition of materials along the banks of Iril River at the earliest. A publicity was also carried by Lamlai Police in Imphal East District in this regard. It urged public to remove illegal structures along Iril River while also warning for demolition of these structures. Zomi Chiefs Association ZCA has strongly condemned the alleged assault on Zwingning Thuang, aged 46 years, of Thangnuang village, Churatanpur district by Major Yadu Krishnan of 37 Assam Rifles. According to a statement issued by ZCA, the incident occurred when Major Yadu Krishnan and other Assam Rifles personnel in plain clothes allegedly attacked Genuine Thuang using bare fish and an iron rod, causing serious injuries and hospitalized, terming the act of the Assam Rifles officer and personnel as a gross violation of human rights, which reflect a deeper issue of arrogance and impunity among certain security personnel operating in tribal areas. The association added that it tarnished the image of Indian armed forces, further claiming that Assam Rifles refused to engage with Zomi Council for a peaceful dialogue regarding the matter. ZCA urged the authorities of Ministry of Home Affairs and Defence to take action against the Assam Rifles officer. It also warned that the failure to act decisively will only widen the divide and deepen mistrust between the security forces and tribal communities in the region. With the aim to provide a livelihood and source of income, Moirang MLA Thongam Shanti handed over 3 sewing machines to women self-help groups in Kwakta Municipal Council Ward number 8 during a function that was held at its office in Moirang Philim Lekai. The MLA also assured to provide more assistance in future.
Makoi basara masabu thau pangjabala ge adum labi du sangjage ai go the mateng khra pangbiu haina committee da go the pressure pirakpo dege coloring machine je sewing machine je pibi raga de moi angang singi puri tuba nupi gi puri tuba aro na maitai pangal muslim sil hinau sing nupi singi phiron tu da choba pulong samam phangani haina moi takpi rakpo dege ai site ge sewing machine hum Pijabadi Moida committee da aduna kaiguma committee na masi sewing machine homes dege moina thamari humari sida pick up tawtana afaba kya koi isana isagi senthok labido puthokna piba ngamaba utpa ngamaba makoida tawrupudu yenga matungna embroidery bo oiro sewing machine bo oiro amuk dakale haragadi ai moida mateng pangni ebo khon tabjari.
COVID-19 cases have come down in Manipur as the state currently has 38 active cases. As per official report, 6 persons were discharged today. On the other hand, Manipur reported 3 new COVID-19 cases today, taking the total infected number in the state to 307. An official update issued today informed that 1 new case in Imphal East District and 2 in Imphal West Districts were reported in the last 24 hours. Manipur police yesterday arrested 6 members of Arambai Tengol who were allegedly involved in the physical assault on an officer and the personnel of Manipur police during a ban in Bishnupur district on June 9 this year. According to police, the arrested persons are identified as Laishram Sanahal, alias Sana, aged 26 years, Laishram Rishikanta, aged 20 years, Laishram Premchan, alias Kadrang, aged 18 years, of Govindagram, Awanglekai, Imphal West District, Kangabam Nongdamba Singh, aged 23 years, of Tera Khongsangbi, Ward number 2, Bishnupur District, Sarangthem Ravichandra, alias Rabi, aged 28 years, of Kangmong Maishnam Lekai, Imphal West District, and Yumnam Jaswant Singh, aged 22 years, of Laurembam Maning Lekai, Bishnupur District. Manipur police and security forces arrested 4 cadres of proscribed KCP PWG during an operation that were conducted at various districts in the state. In one of the operations, Manipur police arrested 2 cadres of the outfit from Utlao area under Bishnupur district. The arrested persons are 34-year-old Laiktonjam Ramakanta Mite alias Bothe of Uyumpok Maninglaikai in Imphal East district and 38-year-old Thongam Herojit of Tengdongyang Mayai Laikai in Imphal West district. In separate operations, security forces arrested a KCP PWG cadre from Moirang Osongbung, ward number 11 in Bishnupur district. The arrested person is Thaudam Shantos alias Hen Thoiba, aged 23 years of Thoba Leishangtem Thaudam Mamang Laikai. He was allegedly involved in extortion from schools and colleges in Thobal district. Meanwhile, the security forces also arrested an active cadre of KCP PWG from Kekrupad North AOC. The arrested person is identified as Potsangbam Jeet Mete alias Norjit, aged 55 years of Khagempally Panthak in Imphal West district. Following an agreement between Wakalon, Manaba, Punba, in short Wama, Kanglei Park and all Manipur recognized private school welfare association, photos of late Jingsubam Akaba were distributed at schools located in Imphal West and Bishnupur district yesterday. Late Jingsubam Akaba led a historic movement to popularize Meitei Mayek. He also played a pivotal role in the promotion of traditional religion of Meitei community. His photos were distributed at St. John English School, Nambol, Special Regular English School, Nambol, Azad English School, Maitram, and Imprint Science Academy, Changangai. The photos were also installed at these schools under the aegis of WAMA. According to WAMA, the initiative will be carried out at various schools in Valley districts as well. In commemoration of the martyrdom of the Bab, the Herald Prophet of Baha'i Faith, Regional Baha'i Council Manipur and Mizoram today organized its 25th blood donation camp at IHBT Department, RIMS, Imphal. According to a press release signed by its secretary, Thongram Kheljit, the organization informed that many individuals coming from various parts of the state donated blood at the blood donation camp. It added that it will continue to organize blood donation camps in the future. Blessing-seeking ceremony for Game Over, the first Manipuri feature film by Lyra Film Production, was held today at the Imphal Public Library Hall, Uripok, Sorbonne, Tingel. The event was attended by filmmakers Laimayum Surjakanta Sharma and Ozit Babu Ningtaujam, Unal President Potsangbam Jaysri, and veteran artist Takilambam Loken as main guests. Addressing the gathering, the film's director Dalon Gurumayum, who is also the lyricist and screenplay writer, stated that Game Over is a unique film based on various contemporary issues. He appealed to the artist, technical crew and supporters to contribute sincerely to make the film a success. He further revealed that action sequences and select scenes will be shot in Bangkok, Thailand, adding that the film carries a meaningful message and will not promote any form of negative influence among viewers. Game Over film features Silheba, Idhoi, Sadananda, Sana, Loken and Idho in the lead roles. The film is produced by Edition Konthorsam, with Regan serving as both cinematographer and editor. Sintha band expressed heartfelt condolences on the demise of its drummer, Tomba Kumanthim from Yaripok, Yambem. In a statement, the music band informed that Tomba passed away at the age of 43 years on June 8 at around 3:30 p.m. due to his illness. Asserting that the demise of Tomba is an irreparable loss, Sintha band prayed for the departed soul while expressing solidarity to the buried family. The statement added that Tomba left a son and 2 daughters. Members of Jeet Kunedo Association of Manipur, along with Wangkhem MLA Kesham Megachandra, organized a condolence meeting at Yaripok Bishnunaha mourning the demise of Kesham Priyakumar, a former member of Jeet Kunedo Association of Manipur, who passed away on July 7 due to an illness. The attendees observed 2-minute silence in honor of the departed soul. In a praise note, Secretary of Jeet Kunedo Association of Manipur, Dr. Moirangthem Ibomcha, also prayed for strength and peace for the bereaved family. Now moving on to national news. A Jaguar fighter aircraft of the Indian Air Force IAF crashed near Banuada village in Rajasthan's Chiru district this afternoon, killing 2 people, including the pilot. According to preliminary reports, the aircraft was on a routine training sortie when it went down around 1:25 p.m. The wreckage was found in an agricultural field and the body of the pilot was recovered in a severely damaged condition. Human body parts were reportedly scattered near the crash site. The identity of the pilot and the second deceased person has not been officially released by the authorities. Local police and administrative officials, including District Collector Abhishek Surana, rushed to the scene. An army rescue team is also expected to join the efforts to secure the area and initiate a formal investigation. Eyewitnesses in Banuda village reported hearing a loud explosion in the sky, followed by smoke and flames rising from the fields. The impact triggered fire in the nearby crops which villagers tried to douse before emergency services arrived. The Indian Air Force has several major installations in Rajasthan, including bases in Jodhpur and Bikaner, and frequently conducts training operations over the region. The cause of the crash is yet to be ascertained. Authorities have cordoned off the area and carrying out an initial inquiry. An official statement from an IAF is expected after the investigation progresses. And now the sports news. In hockey, Manipur Hockey today gave rousing a welcome to Manipur Hockey women's team, which has emerged as B Division team winner in the recently concluded 15 Hockey India Sub-Junior Women National Hockey Championship 2025 at Ranchi in Jharkhand. With the success in the championship, Manipur Hockey women's team scripted history by qualifying A Division for the first time. Upon their arrival in Imphal airport today, officials of Manipur Hockey and supporters lauded the players for their achievement. Speaking on the sidelines, former president of Hockey India, Gainendra Ningombam, expressed immense pride on the success by sub-junior women's team and for the qualification in National Championship A Division. He expressed confidence of more success in A Division.
Hockey in the sub-junior women's national championship Manipur hockey na saru ga wa ado koi Manipur hockey na B division de champion orga e da ka pasi ga raw tamba na phongtu po na koi moibu encouragement tong ro dam ta Manipur hockey na atu ga sinja ro si ya kota ngor sa haru sing coach manager of o kri to phangtu ta bani ado lakada ba koi yaso kam da ikona Manipur hockey na committed to work very hard restless KVBG Gym, Tera Sapam Lerak and Apunba Mairapai Bilopu jointly organized a reception ceremony of RK Bombom, who bagged 2 gold medals in the 26th Muscle Mania Universe Championship 2025 held at New York City on June 28 this year. During the function held at KVBG Gym, Mamba officials and womenfolk encouraged the gold medalist by presenting gifts. Notably, Bom created history for India by winning 2 gold medals in the event and becoming the first Indian bodybuilder who earned Muscle Mania Pro card. It is said that no other Indian bodybuilder had ever secured title in the junior classic physique category of the event. A resident of Sagolban Tera Sapam Lerak, Imphal West, Bom had also won universe title in both natural bodybuilding and physique sports in the past. He is currently pursuing computer engineering at SRM University, Sonipat.
Leishangthem Kumarjit, who won 2 silver medals and a bronze medal in the recently concluded Wrist Wrestling, Arm Wrestling, World Police and Fire Games 2025 held at Birmingham, Alabama, USA, was given a warm welcome by his supporters and family members upon his arrival at Imphal International Airport today. Representing India, Leishangthem Kumarjit won silver medals in kg, 90 kg category, Master Bodybuilding and Masters Physics categories. He also won a bronze medal in the 90 kg wrist, that is arm wrestling event. Kumarjit hails from Singjamai Leishangthem Lekai and he is the son of El Indrabi Meitei and El Tamuhen. Speaking to media persons, Leishangthem Kumarjit expressed happiness over his achievement and that he feels motivated on receiving such support and encouragement from people. He will participate in Mr. Asia and Mr. World, which will be held in August this year in Thailand. Kumarjit further assured to give his best in these competitions and to bring laurel for the state.
World Police Fire Games China contributed labor police mayam somebody firefighters in your badum chawaba tournament some game many masi say any kidney pangpay the man 2015 the same so gazaru madai bodybuilding event for person kare arm wrestling the goal amaga silver loja pani adum si sei tara gi tungda isana bole tan surgery aina muka nan the bodybuilding kam tanga loja ge nai chacha bane du life of the under bodybuilding the category ni sei koi 90 category da master category ai silver medal pange adu lone han the no category physics sports ai nama si awi masiki sports loja badai medal silver medal khunjai medal ni silver medal ni pange adu lone na koi gi World Police Fire Games say player mana to multiple events yawi abai tong sa tv dagi arm wrestling show arm wrestling the 90 kg category master show cup was from Lakadura August 18 day Thailand Asian Asia was a second additional my papa no game around with to Pasina when I understand
In Kang, Singjamai Kangkut will host the first Maibam Ithoi Memorial Nupikud Kang Tournament 2025 from July 20th at Singjamai Chungamaka Kangshang, Imphal West. According to a statement issued by Singjamai Kangkut Secretary Sanam Sarat, the Kang tournament will be organized in recognition of the contribution made by Maibam Ithoi towards promoting the Indigenous game during her lifetime. And now the weather report. According to ICR Regional Center, Lumpur state's maximum temperature was recorded at 24.2 degrees Celsius, while the minimum temperature was 22 degrees Celsius. The maximum relative humidity was measured to be 91% in the morning and 90% in evening today. As per report, Manipur received 15.2 millimeters of rainfall in the last 24 hours. And before we wrap up, let's take a quick look at the headlines once again. Manipur joins a nationwide general strike. All Manipur Bank Employees Association stays a cease work protest at MG venue. And a no fuel policy to end of life, diesel and petrol cars in Delhi NCR will be enforced from November 1st. Well, that's all we have in this afternoon bulletin. Now, before we leave, a quick reminder to all the viewers. COVID-19 is around. Wear your masks, wash your hands frequently, maintain a safe distance and get vaccinated. Stay safe, stay responsible. Thank you for being with us and have a great evening.